Hello and welcome. Today is another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on video. Before we begin, I want to ask you to please hit that subscribe button. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to launch a huge giveaway that's full of makeup, jewelry, and other fall goodies. I would love it if you subscribed. It would make me so happy, and this giveaway is a big thank you for all of your love and continued support. It really means so much to me. But now on to the box. So Stitch Fix, if you do not know about this service, it's a subscription box, a stylist box. So you pay $20, which is a styling fee, and that goes to anything that you purchase. So each box, or each fix is what they call it, you get 5 items ranging from clothing to accessories to shoes. And these items are customized based on a survey you take when you sign up. So they'll ask you quick questions like style preferences, price preferences, sizing, and all of that to make it the perfect box for you. It is super quick and easy to do. And if you are interested in Stitch Fix, I have a $25 credit. I will link below. I will pin a comment. I'll also put it in the description below. So today I'm going to unbox my fix. I just ripped the tape off. I have not looked inside yet. And then I'm going to try everything on. And then after that, I'm going to ask you to leave your comments below. Help me choose what I should keep. If you haven't watched one of my videos before, I also post on my Instagram stories. I do polls of each item, and I have honestly, in the past, kept what you guys think looks best on me, and I think it's so fun. So I always leave my social media links below, so if you want to take part in that and you like polls and stuff like makeup and subscription boxes and all that, I post way more regularly on there than other social media channels, so I'd love it if you added me. But anyways, let's get unboxing. So, like I said, here is what it looks like. And then they send you a prepaid envelope to send anything back, or I should say prepaid bag. It's huge. So anything you don't like, you can send back free of charge. So there's free shipping and free returns, which is super awesome. And then there's always a little note from your stylist and also the pricing of everything in here. So it says, oh, hello. And it'll give you some pictures too on ways to style the items you receive, which is really nice. And then there's a note here from my stylist, so I will read that quick to you guys. It says, hello Kitty, happy fix day. I'm so excited to be styling for you again. I hope you're having a prosperous and productive week so far. Hopefully in today's fix we can get your fabrications and materials more appropriate for your fall style. Let's start with the Stitch Fix exclusive 41 Hawthorne burgundy lace detail dress that is going to be beautiful on you. I know red is one of your favorites, so burgundy is bound to be a crowd pleaser for your fall wardrobe. And this piece is much dressier than the casual piece in your last fix. For a more lightweight dress option, go for Alien J faux wrap style dress and add the French mauve black blazer as a layering piece. Finish this look with your favorite black flats or heels. Be sure to let us know what trends you're loving for the cooler months. Take care, happy styling, Kitty, XO Abby. So I think this is the second time I've had Abby as a stylist, maybe the third. So I can kind of sense what's in there based on what she said. So it looks like a dress. And, let's see. And then here it comes all the pricing, and then you'll see here if you buy all, you get a 25% discount, which is awesome. So if I kept everything, my total would be $308.02, so I would save $104, but I'll tell you the prices of everything when I try them on. And I can tell I have shoes because it comes in a bag like this, so let's check out the shoes first. I won't be trying the shoes on for you guys just because I have not had a pedicure recently and I don't think you want to see my toes, but I will show you these for sure. Ooh, they look cute. So like they're wrap up there by BC. And this is what they look like. I like the size heel. I honestly don't always wear heels, but sometimes I will, like if I go out to dinner or something, but honestly I spend most of my time at home. So that's cute. I'll try those on a little bit and I'll take a photo for Instagram. And this is my favorite. Look how beautifully they wrap this, and like I think this side looks better. You can see like the colors, so it looks like fall colors, like the burgundy she was talking about. So they wrap it really cute and well. I love that. Let's see what is in here. So the first thing is that burgundy dress she was talking about, which is gorgeous. Look at this. Again, and it feels really comfortable. So it's short sleeves, there's a zipper in the back. So I'm excited to try this on. Hopefully it's not too short. So this is the 41 Hawthorne dress. Let's see how much this is. So this is the Cypress lace dress in burgundy, size medium, and it is $74. So this is super cute. Will be cute for the holidays. I wish I had like unlimited money right now. Oh my god, what is this? This is super cute. This is Alien J dress. This is so my style, and it's good for fall in Florida because it's still so hot here. I love this. I can't wait to try that on. Let's see. This is the Jasmine pleated faux wrap dress. Size medium, $98. Ooh, it's expensive, but it's so cute, so we'll have to see how it fits. And then this looks like a lightweight type blazer by French Mauve. This is pretty cute. And this is $88. It's the Melanie knit tunic blazer. And just so you know, the average price of Stitch Fix items is $55, but it could be lower or more than that based on the preferences you pick. Oh, I like this. This is a gold ray sweater, sleeveless sweater dress with these gold buttons. This is another like fall type dress for Florida weather. Like it has that fall vibe, but it's sleeveless. Because seriously, it's still 9 degrees here, so it's my first time living in Florida around this season. So I'm like, when is the temperature dropping? So I need things like that. Let's see, where is this on here? This is $78. So yeah, so my items are a little bit more than the average price. So don't really. It'll be all preference for you. Like when you do the survey, there's an option that says the cheapest possible, which will be like $55 or lower. So I think I chose like the median price range. So that was my 5 items. So I am gonna hit pause and try on my first product, and I will be right back. Hey guys, so this is a lace dress. It is super comfortable. You would think it'd be like more fitting. Most lace dresses in my experience have been. Like you can kind of see my tummy, but that's expected on your right side, but I like it. It hits like a couple inches above my knees. I think it's cute. It's a little pricey though. So I just took a Instagram story poll or whatever. I took a photo and put up a poll on my Instagram story. So I think it'll be live for at least a few hours after this video goes up. So please check it out and let me know. I like the color. I think it's cute. Oh, this is gonna be tough. I feel like I'm gonna like everything in this, so yeah, I like how it fits, and I like the color a lot, so I will see you in the next item. Hey guys, so this dress is a little small, like right when it hits my boobs. It's a side zipper. I do think it's pretty. It's too expensive for me though. It's $98. Look at the print is beautiful though. I think it is a pretty dress. It's just too small me and too expensive. I do like, you know, I like V-neck stuff. It is cute print, but yeah, I will not be keeping this one. I still posted a photo without like the side unzippered on my Instagram, so you guys could see what it would look like if it fit. From that view, it looks like it fit, because I kind of did that thing, but I'm gonna put on the blazer now too. I think that would look good. It's so comfy. I just honestly don't need this because I have a similar black blazer, but oh my gosh. It is, I love the fabric and it is so comfortable. So, and I like how the sleeves are. This is like thin, but it's still enough for fall, you know. So this was the, by French Mauve, the Melanie knit tunic blazer. This was $88. So yeah, I don't think I'll be keeping this just because I don't need it in my wardrobe right now, but I really do like it, and the fabric is so nice. Oh, and there's pockets too. So yeah, if I was in need of this, if I didn't have a black blazer already, I would totally get this. I think $88 is decent for, you know, a jacket. It's just so comfortable and breathable, but oh, I like when you can move your arms, because you know, some sweaters you can't, but yeah. Okay, so I have one more dress to try on, so I'm gonna go do that now. Hey guys, this is my favorite by far. This is so pretty. It has gold buttons all the way down. It's like this knit material, so it's very fall-like, but it's also sleeveless, like I said earlier, so it's, I like it for Florida. I'm gonna be a weirdo and stand on my couch so you could see how the buttons go all the way down. And it's like, you know, figure flattering, I think, but it's not tight. It's very comfortable. My cat's looking at me like I'm crazy right now. But I like it. So this is my favorite so far. And what was the price of this one again? $78. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I can really only afford to keep one item. And I'm leaning towards this, but I'm gonna wait for your input. So please let me know. Yeah, so I think that's everything. And then the shoes. Do you want me to show you the shoe again? I still need to take a picture of this for Instagram. I'm glad I remembered that. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me your feedback either in the comments below, Instagram, or both. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And also, don't forget I have that $25 credit link below if you want to use it. There's no long-term commitment. You can just try out Stitch Fix and cancel it after without paying anything. So I personally love it. This is my 21st fix. Clearly, I'm a fan. And I think my stylist did a better job this month than the last because I gave some comments saying how I wanted stuff more for Florida weather because a lot of things were like fall but heavier. Like these are all lighter things that I can wear in the fall in the Southwest Florida, so I'm very happy about that. And if you haven't yet, please hit subscribe. Remember that giveaway, international giveaway, I think I forgot to mention that in the beginning. We'll be live once I hit 1,000 subscribers. As a big thank you to you guys, and thank you for being here today. If you lasted this long, thank you, I really appreciate it. It means the world to me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.